So I'm in my favorite grocery and nimekuja kubuy fruits because I want to prepare fruit salad. Shop with me. Moja ni 20 bob. Moja ni 20. This is big. Water.
Hi Winnfrey!
Hi!
How are you doing today?
I'm very good.
What are we making today?
Fruit salads.
Show me, show me, show me.
So we are doing watermelon. There is avocado, bananas. There is orange. Kuna apples. Hii inaitangwa nini? Thorn melon.
Thorn melon.
Thorn melon. Alafu kai nimesahau jina. Passion fruit. Tutaweka some grapes and then we will sprinkle with passion fruit na hizi. Zinaitwa matunda ya damu. Si ndio matunda ya damu Yeah.
So, I will ask you 20 questions as you prepare
the fruits.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Do it! Number 1. How many videos have you made so far?
I think 40. 40 videos, yes. I have done 40 videos, yes.
Okay. Describe your channel in 3 words.
Educative. Delicious. Hii ni ngumu. Informative.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Hey, I'm excellent, orderly, and what? Hiyo ya tatu ni gani? Oh Jesus Christ.
6.5 hours later.
Hiyo ingine ya tatu tumesahau. Beautiful. I am very beautiful. Melanin pop. Chai. I am very beautiful. Yes.
Right.
Nice.
Okay. How would your closest friends describe you in 3 words?
Most of them say I'm very strict. Of course, they say I'm beautiful. And charming.
Right. What's the best part about your job?
To discover different cuisines in different countries. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yes. All right.
And the ingredients that they make, it's just fun.
So, do you have any tips for starting a channel?
Pray. Oh, pray. Let God direct you. Manze akuonyeshe what you will do so that you can be consistent. Because it reaches a point, by the way, if you do not have kama haujaifikiria sana, content inaweza isha. So basically pray. Me, I pray for my channel. Pray. Let God guide you. But then sometimes most of the foods I prepare, me God do ni show. So just pray for your channel. That is what I can tell you, and be consistent.
Okay. What's your biggest phobia?
Losing a loved one.
Do you think your sister can sing?
In the bathroom. huwa anajiona musician lakini labda kwa bathroom.
What can you not live without?
God and prayers.
Anything else?
Family. Yeah.
What's something you'd like to say to your 50,000 YouTube subscribers?
Thank you for supporting me. It has not been an easy journey. I will say thank you for and continue supporting my channel. I think that's all I can tell you. You can do it! Also, let's create more content together. Let's win more awards, tushinde awards, and please continue to support my channel.
What's your favorite exercise to do?
Ile ya kuflatanisha tumbo ni gani? Any exercise ya kuflatanisha tumbo, that one.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
I love pork chops and also napenda kuku ikipikwa poa. Yeah, napenda kuku na napenda pork. In any way, bora ikipikwa fiti.
What's your least favorite thing to eat?
Sijaikula snail. And I cannot eat snail. I think it's very
Okay.
yuck.
What advice would you give your 10-year-old self?
Never stop dreaming and never give up.
Can you say something in any foreign language?
Wait for it. Here it comes.
Annyeonghaseyo.
What language is that?
Korean. My Korean peeps.
What's the movie you can watch over and over?
Blacklist. That's a detective movie. And What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? That's also a Korean movie.
Okay. What's your favorite dance move? And dance.
Happy favorite dance move.
Dance move.
Hiyo sijui ni gani by the way.
What's one thing that people will be most surprised to know about you?
That I am very supportive and I am very caring.
What's the coolest thing about your sister?
Oh, hii hata sijui kama nitamaliza. She is, by the way, she's so supportive.
Yes.
Very supportive.
Yes.
When it comes to, she's one person mwenye I can count on, I can lean on anytime. Whenever maybe ninahitaji kitu, she's always there.
By the way, I did not pay her to say that.
But if you have a supportive sister, hey, you need to thank God, eh? Like her. Yeah, you usually say thank you to God every day.
Yes. What's one goal you're determined to achieve this year?
Aki to reach 1,000 subscribers. Not 1,000. Wait, 5,000 subscribers, guys. You can do it. Aki, please support. Subscribe to my channel. Aki ndio ni achieve your dream. Na pia comment, like, share, at least. Aki, ni supportini tu nifike hiyo dream at least ikuwe reality. Support your girl.
What inspires you to do what you do?
Hey. Aki, mimi ubambika mtu akikuja kuniambia ati melon a new recipe because of me. That one just makes my day. Even if it's one person mwenye anakuja kukwambia at least a melon kitu new from me, and then my recipes are very easy, you know, like at least amefanya kitchen yake imekuwa poa manze, hiyo that one makes my day.
What's your absolute dream?
I have to open chains of hotels. Of course, Winnfrey's Kitchen.
What's the last funny video you watched?
Bena kwa TikTok. Manze kama mtamuona endeni mumtafute. Endeni mumtafute by the way. He is very 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 funny. I love watching his videos.
What is the most expensive item you have? I won't ask the price.
Hey. My watch.
How many are you in your family?
We are 5.
And what's
yeah, we are 5. 2 girls, 1 boy.
What's the most unique thing about your family?
Birthday zetu zitafuatana. My brother yake iko June. My mom's my dad's iko July. My mom's iko August. Then yangu iko September. My sister yeye ndo anatufungia chapter. Yes. Thorn melon. Hiki tu by the way ni healthy. This one is very 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 healthy.
What makes you happy?
Hey. When I have achieved something that I have set a goal to do. Kama achieve. Yeah, basically.
What's your proudest moment?
When I graduated from my degree. 4 years is not a joke. Hey. 4 years is not a joke. It's not a joke.
What's the one thing you'd like to achieve the most?
Reaching 100,000 subscribers. At 1 million subscribers, guys. Please subscribe. Subscribe me. Comment me. Subscribe, comment. Please. Ni achieve your dream.
What's your favorite color?
Mara ya kwanza ilikuwa pink. Ikatoka pink. Ikaenda purple. Alafu ikaenda blue. Sina favorite color.
Which is your least favorite color?
Mimi kama niko na list. Kwa sababu kila color kuna vile tu ukivaa kila color wewe inatokelezea inakuwa fiti. So I don't think I have a least color. Least favorite color.
Who are your partners in crime?
Hawa wanajijua. We start with my sister Belinda. Belinda.
Sio mimi.
Judy, wherever you are, you know I love you. Judy. Rachel. Kuko na Mary. Kuko na Kate. Kuko na Rachel. Kuko na Eric. That's my gang. Na kuko na Nick. Kai naweza kusahau Nick. Na Mary. Hi Mary. So that's how I make my fruit salad, and you can also put ice cream on top. I'll show you in another video. And also part of the fruit salad that I made, I blended it. Here it is, and it's very very delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe. Adios.